Circumference quiz, grade 7. Keywords: revolution equals circumference, around equals circumference, C equals pi times d, A equals pi r squared. Number 1, a circle has a radius of 8 inches. What is the circumference of the circle? A, 50.24, B, 25.12, C, 200.96, D, 98.32. Number 2, which of the following correctly represents the circumference around the circle? A, 7 times pi, B, 14 times pi, C, 3.5 pi, D, 21 pi. Number 3, two pizza companies were both advertising a new special. Papa John's is selling a large pepperoni supreme cooked in a pan with an 18-inch diameter. Marco's is selling a pepperoni magnifico baked in a pan with an 11-inch radius. Which of the statements regarding the two pizzas is true? A, Marco's has a larger circumference by around 21.99 inches. B, Papa John's has a larger circumference by around 21.99 inches. C, Papa John's has a larger circumference by around 7 inches. D, Marco's has a larger circumference by around 12.56 inches. Number 4, a spinner travels around in a circle. The radius of the spinner is 6 inches. If Mike spins the spinner and it makes a total of 4 revolutions, how many inches did it travel? A, 37.68, B, 108.64, C, 150.79, D, 12.43. Number 5, determine the constant of proportionality from the table below. X, negative 12.24, Y, 4, negative 8. A, K equals negative 3, B, K equals 3, C, K equals negative 1/3, D, K equals 1/3. Number 6, which of the following represents the total distance around the figure below? Half the circle plus straightaways. The measurements around the figure are 18 meters, 15 meters, 15 meters. A, 76.26 meters, B, 28.26 meters, C, 104.86 meters, D, 287.34 meters. Number 7, Megan wants to put a ribbon around the bottom of a vase. The bottom of the vase is shaped like a circle with a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Which is the minimum amount of ribbon Megan needs for the bottom of the vase? A, 9 centimeters, B, 15 centimeters, C, 20 centimeters, D, 28 centimeters. Number 8, on a blueprint, a wall measures 4 1/2 inches. If the scale on the blueprint is 1/2 inch equals 3 feet, determine the length of the wall in feet. A, 27, B, 13, C, 54, D, 12. Number 9, the circle shown below has a diameter of 15 meters. What is the distance around the green portion of the circle? A, 47.12 meters, B, 30.00 meters, C, 23.25 meters, D, 11.78 meters. Number 10, simplify the following. Negative 3 multiplied by, in parentheses, 2x plus 2n minus 4n. A, negative 5x minus 8n, B, negative 6x minus 10n, C, negative 6x plus 2n, D, negative 6x minus 2n. At the grocery store, number 11. At the grocery store, a family has $200 to spend. The family spends 2/5 of the money on meat. The family spends 20% of the money on drinks. The family spends 0.30 of the money on vegetables. The rest of the money is spent on snacks. How much was spent on snacks? A, $180, B, $60, C, $20, D, $10. Number 12. An employee worked for 15 hours and earned $187.50 in their paycheck. Which of the following equations correctly shows the relationship between dollars earned, D, and hours worked, H? A, H equals 12.50D, B, HD equals 187.50, C, D equals 15 plus 187.50H. D equals 12.50H.